7 out of 10 adults have a spine problem that causes more suffering than arthritis, diabetes, and heart failure. And most of them have no idea. It's called adult spinal deformity. And one of its most overlooked forms is flat back syndrome. I'm going to break down what that is, what it does to your body over time, and give you a simple exercise you can do at home. I'm Dr. Ryan Wohlfert, and here's something nobody told you at your last doctor's appointment. There's a massive international study, there's 8 countries, general population. It found that adult spinal deformity, or ASD, causes more physical suffering than arthritis, diabetes, congestive heart failure, and chronic lung disease. Not just comparable to those conditions, worse. And yet you've probably never heard the words adult spinal deformity in an exam room. You've probably heard, oh, your x-rays look okay for your age, or, just stay active and lose some weight. And you've almost certainly heard you're normal. Normal. Even though you're waking up stiff every morning, you have pain throughout the day, or are wiped out by the end of the day. Remember, normal is not the same as optimal or healthy. So let's talk about one of these most overlooked forms of ASD. It's a flat low back, or as it's called, flat back syndrome. Your low back is supposed to have a natural inward curve. It's called a lordosis of around 40 degrees. That curve is doing some serious structural and functional work. It distributes your body weight evenly. It protects your discs. It keeps you upright without your muscles having to fight with every step of the day. Flat back syndrome is when that curve drops below 30 degrees. Obviously, the low back flattens out. And because your spine works as a connected system, when the bottom flattens, everything above and below has to compensate. Your mid-back, your neck, your hips, all of them grinding a little harder every single day. And we could also call it the no butt syndrome, because that's what it looks like from the outside. Yeah, it sounds funny until you read what the research is and what it does to those who have this no butt or this flat back syndrome. So check this out. In a Spine Journal meta-analysis with 13 studies, there was over 1,700 people, it found a strong association between a flattened low back and chronic low back pain. And in research terms, that strong association in a multi-study meta-analysis is as close to a flashing neon sign saying, "Look at this," as science gets. It also found that disc degeneration, meaning arthritis, and disc herniations were significantly more common in people with flatter low backs. So if your doctor said your spine looks normal for your age, what they might have meant is normal compared to other people who are also silently dealing with this. So that's a pretty low bar. All right, so what can you do about this? The most effective approach is something called spinal traction. And it doesn't mean a generic stretch. I mean applying a sustained directional corrective force to actually reshape the curve over time. Think about how braces gradually move teeth. It's the same principle. Gradual, consistent pressure in the right direction. One tool specifically designed for this is the lumbar Denerol. It was developed within the chiropractic biophysics framework. It holds your spine in an extended position while you lie on it. Now, this is best used consistently and only used with professional guidance. But there's a home version you can try right now with a regular bath towel. Here's how you use the towel. First, you're going to fold it in half and then fold the sides toward the center. Then firmly roll it along the center line. Ideally, you want it about 3.5 to 4 inches in diameter, tight, and maybe even with a slight depression in the middle. You can put rubber bands around the ends to keep it from unrolling. Now, the size and thickness will vary depending on your height or if you have any spinal conditions. Maybe if you have arthritis, disc degeneration, stenosis, or a hunchback posture. So yes, a bath towel works great, but if you're 5 feet 8 inches tall or less, or if you have one of those spine issues, you might have to start with a hand towel or roll up the bath towel a little looser. So now to perform this supportive towel traction, what you do is you lie on your back, preferably on the floor or a firm surface. If you have trouble getting down on the floor, getting back up, you can use your bed, but it's not as effective. You're going to place the towel in the small of your low back. You're going to start lying on it 1 minute per day, preferably at the end of the day, close to bedtime. Add a minute or two each session until you're at 20 to 30 minutes. It might be slightly uncomfortable, but it should never be unbearable. If you feel excessive discomfort, pain, numbness, dizziness, you need to scale back or discontinue. This is not a magic fix. It's a consistent supportive tool. Your spine is the infrastructure of your body. When it's off, everything downstream suffers. Your movement, your sleep, your energy, your ability to show up for your family. And the towel, it only goes so far. So if you want to find out exactly how your spinal structure is affecting your health and get specific recommendations for your situation, click the first link in the description and book a virtual house call with me. We can do this no matter where you are in the world. There's no charge, and I'll give you personal recommendations that actually fit your body, health, and spine. And that way you can be your own guarantee for your health and your life.